Yeah, this is a list of things that is never going to fit me. I got this viral bodysuit. I thought maybe it would snatch me up because that's what everybody said. I got these jeans here and we're going to test them because I haven't been able to fit into these for a minute. Okay, this does not disappoint. I am feeling tight, feeling snatched, feeling secure. Ready to try the jeans though. A little skeptical still about whether or not the jeans are going to fit. So, let's try it. Are we ready? Same jeans. Oh. Wow. Holy crap. Wow. It's been a while. Luckily, they're having a big 50% off sale, so I had to buy a bunch. What does that mean for you? If you go to the link in my bio right now and use my code JUSTACHICK, you'll get the same deal. You can't get it from their website. You have to get it from the link in my bio. Make sure you use my code JUSTACHICK.